Let me ask you something uncomfortable. If I watched you sleep for 8 hours, would you still wake up tired? Because that was me. Full night's sleep. Alarm goes off, and somehow I felt worse than when I went to bed. I thought I needed more discipline, more coffee, more motivation. Turns out, I was making the same mistakes millions of people make every single day. And once I fixed one thing, my energy finally stopped disappearing by noon. Let's talk about it. Here's the shocking part. Sleep research keeps confirming. Most tired people aren't sleep deprived. They're sleep disrupted. You're getting hours, just not quality. And the worst part, most of the mistakes happen after you wake up. Mistake number 1, hitting snooze. It feels harmless, comforting even, but every time you snooze, you restart your sleep cycle without finishing it. So instead of waking up cleanly, you wake up groggy. That fog you feel for the first 2 hours, that's not you being lazy. That's sleep inertia. Tiny fix: set your alarm for the latest possible time and stand up immediately. No snooze. Feet on the floor. Even if you hate me for this, try it once. Now here's mistake number 2. And this one hurts. You wake up and immediately grab your phone. Notifications, messages, stress before your brain is even online. Sleep research shows your brain needs calm input in the first 20 minutes. When you flooded with information, you spike cortisol too early. That's why you feel anxious and drained before breakfast. Tiny fix: no phone for the first 10 minutes. Bathroom, water, light. That's it. And speaking of light, mistake number 3. You're waking up in darkness. Your brain doesn't know it's morning unless it sees light, not phone light, sunlight. Without it, your circadian rhythm stays confused. You're awake, but your body still thinks it's night. Tiny fix: open the window or step outside for 2 minutes. Cloudy counts, cold counts. This alone can raise alertness more than caffeine. But here's where things get sneaky. Mistake number 4, caffeine timing. Most people drink coffee the moment they wake up. Feels logical, but it actually backfires. In the morning, your body naturally clears adenosine, the chemical that makes you sleepy. Caffeine blocks it too early, which means it crashes back harder later. That 2 to 4 p.m. crash? This is why. Tiny fix: delay caffeine 60 to 90 minutes after waking. Yes, even if you're tired, especially if you're tired. Now let's talk about why you're exhausted even when you did everything right. Mistake number 5. You never fully wake up your body. You sit all morning. Classes, meetings, editing, studying. Your nervous system stays half asleep. Sleep research shows light movement early in the day improves energy all day, not just in the moment. Tiny fix: 5 minutes of movement before noon. Walk, stretch, stairs. Nothing intense. And here's a cliffhanger most people miss. Being tired isn't always about sleep. Sometimes it's about decision fatigue. Mistake number 6. Too many decisions too early. What to wear, what to eat, what to study, what to prioritize. Your brain burns energy on choices instead of focus. That's why you feel exhausted before you've done anything important. Tiny fix: pre-decide mornings. Same breakfast, same first task, same routine. Less thinking, more energy. Now mistake number 7, the silent killer. You're pushing through tiredness instead of responding to it. When energy dips, most people do one of 2 things: scroll or force themselves harder. Both make it worse. Sleep research shows short mental breaks reset alertness better than willpower. Tiny fix: when you feel drained, stop for 3 minutes. Stand up, breathe, look away from screens. Not a scroll break, a nervous system break. Now here's the moment everything changes, because all 7 of these mistakes connect to one fix, and it's not sleeping more. The fix is this: anchor your energy to a consistent wake-up system, not motivation. Same wake time, same light exposure, same first movement, same calm start. Your body loves predictability. When wake-up becomes consistent, sleep quality improves automatically. You fall asleep faster, wake up clearer, and stop relying on caffeine and guilt to function. Let me be real for a second. If you're a student, creator, or someone trying to build something meaningful, being tired all day isn't a personal failure. It's a system problem. You're not weak, you're misaligned. And the best part? You don't need a perfect routine. You need one better morning. So here's your challenge. Try this tonight. Set your alarm once. No snooze. Open a window. Delay caffeine. Move for 5 minutes. That's it. Don't overhaul your life. Just prove to yourself that energy is trainable. And if this helped even a little, stick around. We're not chasing hustle here. We're building sustainable focus. Try this tonight. Let's level up together.